right at the shop, about to pull up and drop off the car. They are, I'm gonna have Pat Built Performance log the car for me, so that way Wengert is able to send me a retune and we can get this car dialed in for the weekend. And then we might drive Marcus's manual S650, depending on if we can find a parking lot. I don't really know yet, because it is, you know, like 11 o'clock in the morning, so the parking lots might be kind of full, and I don't really feel comfortable driving it on the road just because I'm not trying to stall at like a red light or some shit. We got the Snap-on van here. I guarantee Evan is buying some shit he does not need. Some overpriced tool, I guarantee it. We better back the car up in here. Saw that, how it like almost gave out. That's exactly the issue I'm having. Just like idling, it's actually idling pretty good right now, but sometimes too when I back up, it wants to cut, so we got to figure out what is going on. We'll have to log the car obviously to figure it out. All right, dropped off the car. Oh fuck, we in the S650. We better go drive this thing.
Yes, sir.
I haven't drove a manual in a minute, so this should be interesting. But we better go back over by the house. It's like a big empty parking lot because I don't want to drive it on the road. Hopefully, I hope they get the, I hope that thing gets dialed in.
I do too.
Because yeah, the drivability and just like dialing the shifts a little more, because I'm trying to go out this weekend. It's currently Tuesday, right? Tuesday? Yeah. And so hopefully I can just get it dialed like tomorrow or Thursday. Come back and get it and be ready for Friday. But I'll catch up with y'all when we get to the parking lot. My hair look crazy. I didn't shower yet. I woke up and then I went to the gym, and then here we are.
Yes, sir.
All right, we gotta move this shit back. I'm sorry to fuck your seating position up.
Nah, you're good, you're good.
But
alright, let's see if we can go ahead and get it.
yeah, give me some AC too. It's hot as shit in here.
It's running, it's running.
Alright. I might be a little too far. Your clutch goes in deep.
Oh, he knows how to work the parking brake.
Alright.
Alright, I'm not gonna say nothing. Let's see if he stalls it. Let's see if he
Where's it grab? How far up?
I ain't gonna say anything. Ah, he got it moving! Yes! He didn't stall it! Yes, he got it! Woo! Hey, he's ready to go do a draggy hit. He's about to go. We
could go do a draggy hit.
Do a 60 to 130. You honestly could do a 60 to 130 because you could just leave it in third. You got it.
You said you got automatic rev match too?
Yes. Ah, you got it.
I don't know. I think I'm cutting. Well, technically the parking lot is up and down, but
yeah, you're good, bro.
There ain't nobody here, bro.
Yeah. You're good. Nobody's gonna say anything, bro. The ball, actually, no, it is open, but you got it, guys. You got it.
All right, let's go do a draggy. You want one more?
Yeah, see if you can move it to that parking lot.
Move it where?
Over there, to that parking lot. See if you can move it to that parking lot. See if you can do it again. Beginner's luck?
No.
Oh! He's got it. Oh yeah, you're good. Ain't nobody over there. we're not gonna go do a draggy, guys. Obviously, that would not be smart. But I'm glad he can move the car. I'm confident you can take this out on the street.
Honestly, I think I could too. This is actually easier to drive. Like your Shelby isn't too bad.
Yeah, I told you this was easy, bro. Because the clutch protection and the I told you this was easy. You got it.
That's not bad.
Yep, you got it. Yes, sir, you got it. Maybe we'll try to get him out on a regular street, but it's rush hour right now. It's like 12 o'clock. Well, not really rush hour, but there's a lot of cars out.
We could do it. I'm trying to think of like a good road too, where it's like
I don't
chill.
really think there is any good roads out here. You can't do it on no 1960.
I mean, we do it late. We go late.
Yeah, late.
It'd be like when we go do like a draggy
Yeah.
run. That's when we do it.
Not bad.
Yeah, I'll take it.
You didn't install it out.
What up?
It's easier to drive to the Shelby.
Yeah.
Way easier?
Yeah, it's definitely easier than the Shelby.
Yep. Woo! You got it.
There y'all have it. 10R80 drives MT82.
Oh shit.
Alright, just took the thumbnail. Yeah, 10R80 driver drives MT82.
Yep. Good job.
Now people can't roast me in the comments because people be saying like, oh, it's an automatic car. Like they be trying to roast me because I have an automatic.
I be telling, man, like the newer Mustangs, these are way easier to drive than people think.
So I'm saying like I can like I have an automatic, but it's like I bought it. I'm trying to go fast. Like, but that was actually kind of fun. I haven't drove a manual since the Shelby a long time ago. But that was definitely harder because upgraded.
You drove it with the
upgraded clutch.
with that Vengeance clutch.
Yep.
That clutch was hard. So
Yep.
yeah, it makes sense why this one was a little bit easier to drive, because that Vengeance clutch, man, like that was actually hard to drive. I ain't gonna lie, like it was.
I didn't install it though.
You didn't install it.
I didn't install it,
which I'm really impressed about, because that car with that clutch, it felt weird. The clutch, it grabbed like all the way at the top.
It did. It grabbed way higher than this one.
Yeah. Even the McLeod, if you've never driven with the McLeod clutch, the McLeod is like a lot more forgiving. This clutch, obviously, I feel like this clutch is heavier than the McLeod, but because there's like so much technology with like the clutch protection and also like the assist, you literally could just like ease off the pedal and the car's just gonna go forward. Is my shit gonna connect? I don't know if mine.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I want to. This would be fun for like a daily car.
Yeah,
like I could see myself driving one of these as like a daily.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, just a little.
Little 10R80 driver driving an MT82.